Real estate agents, you want to know the best source of finding the best seller leads? Check this out. All right, so I have scoured far and wide. I'm sure a lot of team leads, brokers, or real estate agents in general have, looking for the best lead source for seller leads. They tend to be more expensive. A lot of times they want a home evaluation. You provide that for them and then they ghost you. This is typical. But what I have found over a lot of money spent and a lot of hours working and prospecting over my career, I can tell you right now, definitively what the best lead source is to find good, or great rather, seller leads. And the answer is this: buyer leads. Asking your buyer leads better questions. That's all it boils down to, because a lot of times, let's be honest, when buyers are buying something, they're also selling something. It's just some agents don't think to ask these questions, and these questions can really help you as far as determining motivation and figuring out exactly if they're serious from, not serious, obviously. But 9 times out of 10, sellers will start their process looking at homes, what their next move is going to be, if it's even worth exploring, and they're not exactly forthcoming with information. It takes a good agent with good questions, digging deeper, asking the right questions, establishing a good relationship with the lead or the client before they can even uncover this type of information. So typically sellers just won't provide it for you, but understand this: most buyers are sellers, and if you're asking the right questions, you'll be able to save yourself a ton of money from even buying seller leads. Just ask your buyer leads better questions.